Hi friends, Martin here. Thought for the day. When you head out to do something, what's your mindset? Are you visualizing yourself accomplishing that task? Or are you just heading out and letting things happen? When I come out here to catch fish, I come out thinking, I'm going to catch fish. And I look for fish. And there's techniques of corralling the fish, forcing them to make a decision one way or another, whether they're going to take your fly or not. And it's very similar to running your business. Is you can find a target market and go meet those people. And as you meet those people and move through them, similar to me, say, starting upstream and walking through this drift, and as I go through and each of the fish see my feet and see my fly, and they kind of see what I'm doing, and they move away, and they swim back a little bit, and then I cast again, and then it takes another look. It's the same in your business. You're casting your line out there, and people are taking a look, and they're kind of drifting back, and then they're going to take another look, and then they're going to drift back again. And only the hungry ones that are interested in what you have to offer are going to bite. But you have to cast your line. And you have to show up to the river. You have to show up in the place where the people are, just as the way I got to show up here on the river where the fish are. Or I'm not going to catch anything. So very similar practices. You have to cast your line, and you have to be where the fish are. You have to be within the target market of where your product or offer is happening. And then you have to go out and meet people in that market. And as you walk through the people, the hungry ones that want the product that you have will buy. Similar things between nature and the everyday business world. Thought for the day.